Hi, this is Noah from Health and Balance. I'm going to show you how to stretch your sacroiliac joints. If you don't know what your sacroiliac joints are, you have two of them back here on either side. They're the largest joint in the human body. For the most part, if you work a 9 to 5 or if you went to school 7 hours a day, 12 years in a row, these guys aren't moving whatsoever, so I'm going to show you how to unlock them. The SI joint does this motion with a little bit of side to side. So the first stretch, you know it's knee to chest, hold it for 20 seconds. When you're done with that one, instead of going to the other leg, you're going to take that same leg and you're going to position it in the middle of your body so that your knee is pointing towards your opposite shoulder. Good. Again, 20 seconds. When you're done with that one, take your hand, overhand grip your knee, and draw it across your body. Again, 20 seconds. And that's how you unlock your sacroiliac joint. Thank you.